Hello?
Let me tell you a little secret. That smoky, tangy kick everybody keeps asking me about. That, yo, what is that flavor? Yeah, it's the badass peach. Real talk, this ain't no grocery store squeeze bottle. This is the kind of sauce that makes folks close their eyes on the first bite. They don't even ask what it is. They just ask, where can I get it? So, here it is. Now you know. Badass peach barbecue sauce. Don't tell everybody, just the ones you really like.